Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 5 extremely useful tips and tricks for the Samsung Gallery application for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's dive in right away and start with tip number 1. So I'm going to launch my Gallery application, which is going to be right here, and I'm just going to pull up a photo. Let's just pull up this one right here. This tip is extremely useful when you take a high resolution photo with your smartphone. So what I can do with this photo specifically is if I zoom in onto the photo, okay, let's say I want this portion as a wallpaper or something. I zoom into the photo. On the top, you're going to see a little icon appear as I zoom in. When you don't zoom in, it does not appear. When I zoom in just a little bit, that icon appears on the top corner. When I click it, what happens is the phone automatically crops and saves that photo in the same folder that you're working in. So if I go back out here, now that photo is right here, and this can easily become a wallpaper for my smartphone. Okay, so you can do this with any photo. Just grab a photo, zoom into the portion that you want to crop, and just quickly tap on that button. It just auto crops it. You'll see a little preview and just saves it right here. All right, so that's tip number 1. Let's move on to tip number 2. Now, before we continue, a quick word from our sponsor, Ugreen, who has developed this fantastic Ugreen Ace Cube 30-watt USB-C charger to get you the maximum charging speed for any smartphone you may own, such as a Samsung Galaxy S22, Pixel 6 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and more. Whatever brand that you have, it is going to work. So basically, here are a few examples. Pixel 6 Pro is going to charge from 0 to 50% battery in 37 minutes. Even a MacBook Air will go from 0 to 50 in 2 hours with this tiny charger, and an iPhone 13 Pro Max will go from 0 to 50 in as fast as 30 minutes. Again, all this from this tiny ultra portable charger that also has a foldable plug, which makes it great for travel. It does use the latest GON technology, which is able to produce high charging speeds while keeping chargers super small. It also has millivolt precision charging technology, so the voltage is regulated with precision, giving you safer charging and protecting your battery, unlike many other chargers. Alright, so the link to buy this charger for less than $12 is going to be down below. Make sure to use the coupon code below to get your discount. Let's move on. So the next tip, we're going to be able to do the same exact thing we just did with the image files with actual video files, and this is amazing. So here's a video, okay? And I want to let you know you can record in 4K or 8K depending on your phone, and when you have a video in 8K, it captures a lot of detail. So what you can do is you are going to see this player at the bottom that just plays the video back and forth. And here's the button again at the bottom. This time on the left, you can tap it, and that's going to take a photo and it's going to save it. All right. So it's going to extract the photo from this high quality video and it's going to save it. It's a great way to extract photos from high quality videos. Now, when you save a photo, you want to go back out into your albums and you want to go into video captures. That's where it's going to save that those photos. So look at this high quality photo that I was able to extract from, in that case, a 1080p video. Now, one more thing I'm going to show you with that is if I go over here to another video, I can do the same thing. If I tap over here, I can open this in the video player. And as I'm doing that, let me just kill that volume. I can use this button here to extract a photo, as you can see. So it's doable. All right, with tip number 3, just grab any photo that you want or grab a bunch of multiple photos. Let's just do multiple photos. So you can see that all these photos here have to do with cars. I can select all these photos, okay? Then I can tap on more and I can add tags to identify these photos. So let's just tap on tag, okay? And I'm just gonna say cars. And then I'm gonna save. So now all these photos, the 9 photos or 10 photos and 1 video here, are now tagged with the keyword cars. So in the future, if I want to look for images that only have cars in it, I simply go into my main screen, or even on the top here we have a search button. I can tap on it. I can simply search the tag right from here, or I can tap here and I can say cars, and then I can tap on this one and it's going to bring up all the photos that have that tag attached to it. So that's absolutely fantastic. Again, one more thing I'm going to show you guys. If you do have One UI 3.0, I can grab any one of these guys, pull it up just a little bit, and I do get the same option at the bottom. I can tap on plus and add a tag right from here, okay? But normally if you have One UI 2.5 or earlier, you can go back here, select the single image, just tap on that button and add a tag. As you can see, fantastic. Let's move on to the next tactic. So let's say you want to actually hide a certain album in your galleries. Basically, all you do is you tap on this button here and you tap on hide or unhide album. So let's say I want to hide the Instagram album right here. There's a bunch of photos there. I don't want other people to see. I simply tap on this one. I tap on hide or unhide, and then I go over here and I select OK for the Instagram album. Now when I go back out here, it's not going to show up here. So anytime I want to actually see it, I can go back here, I can tap over here, and I can disable it to access the images in that particular album. It doesn't lock your stuff with a password, but it's an easy way to quickly hide albums that you don't want other people to see. Alright, so the next tactic has to do with adding stickers to your photos. So let me just again grab a photo. Okay, I can tap on edit right here, and then at the bottom we have an option to add stickers to my photos. I can grab this sticker, for example, just put it anywhere, resize it any way that I want. Okay, put it right there. And on top of that, once you tap on add a sticker, you can scroll through all the available options here. As you can see, you can add any one of these stickers, no problem. Look at that. Okay, I can just add it right there. And on top of that, I can go all the way to the end, tap on plus, and actually download more free or paid stickers based on your needs. So if I go up a little bit here, so over here we have the decoration stickers that I can download for free. We got the party time. I can even go to the store from here and browse even more stickers. So let's just grab decorations. Now when I go back, okay, it's actually going to show at the bottom here. You can see them right here. That's the new decoration stickers. Maybe not that one. It's going to be somewhere here. There we go. So these decoration stickers are the ones that I was able to download just now, and you can add them anywhere on your screen. They're resizable, movable, rotatable, however you want to present that thing. Then you click save and you're done. Now that's the photo with the stickers. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something really cool. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.